The continued overloading of goods-carrying vehicles on a deteriorating suspension bridge has raised serious safety concerns for the public. In response to this urgent issue, leaders of the Hinyotrap Youth Council Ribhoi Sepngi met the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi today to remind the authorities about the worsening condition of the bridge at Lailat and urged them to take swift action. The union has warned of action if the administration fails to address the issue.
Balada kini kibreo kibadangi amalin banyaya klam buram ya kabo district mat nginum la matip yo lesi dan ki bashalandat yo sika jingiran benta pando tada kim ya simkhia apo kini kisi ko bagila aipor mar benta kaski kadai kasin ka bakhadu ka banagiliang kajongi inbu ya kane kajing ujor balada nakaliang kabo district kimla banle ye kapan bense ka seng kajongi ya ka kenhun kajongi bang hiniar syabadan bang hapan bat hi ya ki truk ya ki kali ki palatpot hak te ka kanang ba kanam kta ya kayak kayeng lane kanang ba kanam kta ya kajing penjat ka surat bar kajing tua lane kajing prajno jo kane kajing king kapan sakta yo pai ba bubun balak jo ka te ka tong